Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can change name in AirAsia booking. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop. Search for AirAsia and make sure to log in using your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the homepage of your account. Here, click on the chat with bow icon and a sidebar will open up. Click on Travel option, then select AirAsia Flights, and then click on Name Amendment. Select Yes from the options and enter your PNR number to advance with the process. And that's how you can change name in AirAsia booking. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.